Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to cancel and refund Cebu Pacific ticket. Okay, so here, the first thing that you are going to do is you just have to open the Cebu Pacific application or the website, and you have to enter you have to log into your account. After that, just go to the manage booking. Yes, right. And then you just have to enter your booking reference number and the last name or your email. And once logged in, you'll see the flight details. So since we don't have any booking yet, but this is where you can find these options. So you'll see your flight details. So from here, you can manage your booking up to 2 hours before the departure and select cancel or refund option. Now, just have to tap your booking and look for the cancel flight or request refund. An important notice, not all tickets are refundable, so it will depend on what kind of ticket you have purchased, and refund depends on the fare type and airline's rules. So usually you can get a refund if Cebu Pacific cancels your flight is significantly rescheduled, and you're eligible under special cases like travel disruptions. And then you just have to confirm the refund details. So if refund is available, you just have to select the passenger confirmation, okay? And then submit the form. So you may also be offered alternatives like rebooking, travel fund credit, or choose carefully because some options cannot be reversed. And after submission, refunds are usually processed within around 15 days, and it may take longer depending on your bank or payment method. So you'll receive email updates, refund credited back to original payment method. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.